Where will you sell your product or services? Once you have your product or service ready, you need some space on the internet to sell it. There are so many options you can choose depending on the product you have made and availability of the market on the internet. This is the fourth video in the series of how to start an online business, and it focuses on where to sell your products or services. Where to sell your product or services online. Number 1, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, etc. When starting an online business and looking for where to sell your products or services, it is usually wiser to start with social media. From social media of your choice, find out what kind of information your clients consume, then create that kind of information and distribute it to them by either paying the social media platforms for advertising there, which is the most recommended method, or manage your accounts to build a loyal following, which usually takes longer. The strategy here is to direct the potential client from social media, e.g. with a free product, to other information, e.g. a landing page that can convert them to buyers, or to send them directly to what you are selling to them, that is your product or services. What are the pros of this method? Most clients are searching for what you have on social media. It is free to set up a business account on social media. What are the cons of this method? You need to learn how to manage your budget, that is money, for advertising on social media. You will need lots of patience if you take the path of building a loyal community. Number 2, WordPress. WordPress is one of the simplest platforms to use when creating a website that has all the functions to use in an online business. Because with WordPress, you are able to blog about your business, have online store using the WooCommerce plugin. Thousands of your customers will be able to discover your business on Google search by themselves without you advertising to them, which is known as organic traffic. No need to learn computer programming or coding because everything is a click away or can be done by dragging and dropping pre-designed elements. If you are looking for a sustainable online business to earn passive income in the months to come, then it is best to pay for web hosting and get your own platform where you have direct control of what you do. And I recommend Hostinger simply because it is affordable and delivers. See the link below. ClickFunnels, number 3. If you are not interested in a website but just a sales page which encourages people to buy what you are selling, then ClickFunnels is one of the very best options. With a few clicks, you can add order forms, collect email addresses, set up email newsletters, sell, upsell, and set up a payment gateway to receive money from your clients. It comes with a free trial for you to give it a try. This means you can even start now by building your sales page and start selling. Once you get some money, you can invest back into the program to make more money. What are the pros of this method? Easy and quick to set up than a website. No computer programming involved, so anyone can use it. What are the cons? You need investment to start if you are serious about making money. Number 4, Shopify or WooCommerce. If you are going to sell either physical or digital product online, then the best e-commerce platforms to use are usually WooCommerce and Shopify. This platform allows you to open up an online shop or store where you can showcase your products. It also allows you to manage orders, payments, and customer accounts. What are the pros of this method? You'll be having an online shop where people can order from anywhere. You are fully in control and responsible for the entire system. You don't share any profits. What are the cons of this method? It needs investment in your website hosting and promoting. You'll need training on how to operate your online store. Number 5, etc. If you are making and owning handmade items like pillows, chair covers, home furniture, jewelry, and the likes, you can create an account with platforms like etc. Upload pictures of your products, describe them using searched keywords, and start selling. What are the pros of this method? It is easy to set up. etc. handles things like hosting and marketing. Cons: you share profits with etc. Number 6, Amazon Handmade, eBay, Alibaba, Jumia. In order to sell physical products which you don't own, online marketplaces will work well for you. If you want to see great results, choose your niche carefully, conduct a research, and invest in promotion. The pros of the method. Easy and quick to start because the infrastructure is already set up for you. There are many tools that can help you improve and make more money. You can create a business where you are able to work alone and from any location. The cons of the method. You share profits with the platform. You are given limited option to adjust the way the platform works, so you may find it difficult to do follow-up actions like upselling and keeping in touch with your customers. Number 7, Redbubble, Printfy, Printful. This platform lets you sell your designs to people around the world. All you have to do is upload your design, adjust how your design will look like on the different platforms like t-shirts, pillows, stickers, and the likes. Whenever the customer buys a product with your design, you receive a commission. What are the pros of the method? You don't handle the logistics involved between the buyer and the seller. What are the cons of the platform? You have to be creative and constant in order to succeed. Blurb and CreateSpace. If you wish to sell your ebook, then these platforms will help you create and sell your ebook. They will handle the hosting, promotion, and payments. Pros. They make the ebook publication experience easier. Cons. You share profits with the platform. Number 9, YouTube, Teachable, Udemy, and SkillShare. If your online business involves the creation of a video course, then this kind of platform shall work best for your business. You have to first learn how to use the platform, including the creating of content for the platform, and then focusing on creating quality videos that add value to the intended recipient or learners. Part of your content can be offered for free to watch in order to encourage learners to pay for the full course if they are interested. Pros of this platform. You're able to create videos without showing your face. You can qualify for YouTube partner programs, the YPP, and earn from adverts. Cons. You may need to invest in additional gear or equipment like camera, lighting equipment, and microphones. For most people, it takes time to get used to the camera. Number 10, Fiverr or Upwork. These are freelance marketplaces built to link buyers and sellers in a single place. With Fiverr, it is the seller who specifies what they can do for a fee, which is called a gig. So the buyer looks through and chooses the best freelancer to work on his or her project. With Upwork, it is a buyer who gives the specification and the budget of the project. The seller chooses if he or she is able to do the project. Pros of the method. Payments are secure because the money is handled by the platform. All kinds of freelancing jobs can be found on these platforms. Your location doesn't matter to work on these jobs. You're able to join the affiliate programs of these platforms and earn a commission. Cons. May take you a long time to land your first client as a beginner because of things like having a solid portfolio, good rating, recommendations, references, great comments, and number of sales. Upwork can be very strict when it comes to approving freelancers, and for Fiverr, people usually trust those freelancers with more sales. See you in the next video where we focus on who will buy the product or services. Leave a comment below if you have anything to add. Hi, my name is Francis of My World Review. I create videos about how to start and grow your online business. If you liked this video and wish to see more in the future, you can just subscribe and press the notification button, and this will definitely help the channel to grow.